see here?
Mom, I need to say cheese.
Go ahead, say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, so we need to come off of this with a 90 and then hook the supply line up
Okay.
underneath it.
All right.
So it'd be
It'll be something. It'll be like this nut, but just curved.
right.
It's a busy day today. We are having our kitchen worked on, which is so awesome. Sorry about the loud noises. So finally we're gonna have a kitchen sink. It's been, how long has it been, Johanna?
5 months.
I don't remember when we did our demo, but I think she's right. 5, maybe 6 months. I'm not trying to count because it was forever. We've been doing dishes in this bathroom here. So we're trying to keep the kids out of the kitchen, obviously, and stay busy in here, which is difficult because it's a mess. We have our kitchen island in here and it's just cramped. We just got done doing a little bit of school time. What did you do, Johanna, this morning?
Writing.
You did your writing, and now Ruthie is working on hand turkeys.
I'm having everyone make one. This is Micah's hand turkey, and this is Jude's hand turkey, and we're working on Eli's hand turkey. Okay.
We got some really easy stuff for lunch. I just grabbed some deli meat, some avocados, and these organic chips. I'm gonna make some guacamole. We're just gonna have something basic. What are you guys excited to do today?
Eat kiwi crates!
We have our kiwi crates today. Thought we'd save it for a day like today where we kind of have too much going on in this house and it would be a fun activity. All right, I do want to say thank you to today's video sponsor, KiwiCo. If you followed along, you know that we have these boxes all the time and I like to share about that. Now, if you aren't familiar, KiwiCo is a monthly subscription box that sends age-appropriate STEAM activities. So STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So they're very educational. We like to integrate them in for homeschool. They have them for ages toddler all the way up to teenagers, so they work for all of our kids except, of course, for Daniel. Each box comes with an activity book, so it includes a lot of education to go along with the activities in the box. It's perfect for, in the winter or rainy days, indoor activity, whenever you can't do a whole lot outside. Click my link in the description box below to get your first box for free. All you have to pay is shipping, which is $4.95 in the US and $9.95 internationally.
Let's open it! Let's open it! Let's open it! Let's open it! Let's open it!
Micah, look, Micah. I know you're a tinker.
I'm gonna go.
You sure you're not Atlas? I only have one tinker this time.
I have the Atlas. I don't know.
I think Jude's Kiwi. Let me. Oh wait, ages 5. That says on the side.
Oh.
Ages 9 plus.
Oh, we both get ages.
This
9
says
plus.
ages 6 plus.
So,
This says ages. Hold on, let me see. Ages 5 plus. And this says ages 3 plus. So these two go to Micah and Jude. Eli, you're gonna get this one. This is the younger one. Jenny, you're gonna get this one.
Make your own arcade.
You get scissors.
What's yours? Make your own. Make your own.
Jenny, you're.
France. Will the racing cyclist paint a stained glass window and explore France? I want that. I'm a spy.
You're a spy?
Secret agent. Yeah, I have paint. That's my secret, Mom. Oh yeah! This spy is cool. Awesome. Oh, okay, Mike. Not even got it. Oh, where do you want to put it? Look, Mike, it's like a little ocean. You can stick these on.
Is Micah going fishing today?
Looks like it.
Doing his. Oh wait, I guess
No,
this camera.
I got sprayers. You caught a fish! You caught one!
Okay, what do you have in yours, Johanna?
I have something like an
You're gonna learn about France today?
Yes, I am.
Are we building a balancing bike or are you doing this church
I want
thing
to do
first?
both. I think we'll do the church.
Look, you have a lot of info about France on here.
Yeah, but I don't really like to read that. I just want to get to crafting.
I'm gonna get to the crafting. Let me find what's the instructions. Ooh, look, Hina. This shows you how to make a recipe.
What is it making?
I can't pronounce that word. French bakeries called patisseries. I know I'm saying that wrong. Oh, say patisserie. Patisserie. Use a similar dough to make cream puffs.
Oh, yummy. We got to do that. Oh, I'll make these guys, don't worry.
Jude, what do you have here?
Can you help me, Mom?
Yes?
Thanks.
All right, Jude, we can either start by making the stained glass art, the rainbow tote bag, or the cloud pillow. Which one do you want to start with?
Micah.
You want to make stained glass art? Okay, so we're going to Jude's pillow. Where's your pillow instructions?
Oh, here. I don't know. I don't even find it.
Okay, so Jude, how about you take this stuffing and put it into your pillow? Let me do that. So here's what's going on in the kitchen. I plan to do a better update later this week when this is all done. So one thing is this drain here is different size than standard sinks today because I did buy this vintage sink. And so we had to buy this really tiny little strainer and drain. But I think it'll be fine because we've been doing dishes in the bathroom sink for so long and the drain in there is really tiny and that hasn't bothered me at all. The only thing that's bothered me about that, baby's waking up, is the fact that we have to go to the bathroom to wash dishes. So I really think it'll be fine, but I'll let you know. Cover the rest of the sticky sheet with rainbow squares. So yeah, now after you put these all over, then do rainbow squares.
Yes.
You're not supposed to be jumping onto it. It's supposed to be spread out, Jude. Whatever. Look, see? Look how theirs is all spread out. That's how it's supposed to be.
Okay.
So you getting it figured out, buddy? Oh, you're gonna put it in your case? That's good, neat.
After it's do you want to build a snowman?
Go away, on.
You hold Jude. I've got mine done. He's doing really good on this.
Dorothy, what do you have going on?
I'm working on a catapult for an arcade. Making a whole arcade? Well, not a whole arcade, just something for it. Guys, look, I got the part that you put the balls into done. See? Yay, I did it, Mom! I did it! I cut it all up and now I'm done! Look at my pillow!
Is it a rainbow pillow?
Yeah!
Is it cozy? Put it against your head, let's see. It's cozy.
Yeah, tonight.
They didn't have the right thing there, basically.
Pretty much the right thing doesn't exist. Because he searched through, like we looked at an inventory and then he searched the computer database for stuff you could order and there was nothing.
Okay.
He tried to humor me for a long time. But
Yeah, he's like, no, dude, it's what it says.
Here, you try to read my message.
yeah, right, you can't read that.
No message.
It's illegible.
Okay,
Where is the
now put that on. Now read my message.
Ah, this is your name. Those are crazy.
So we weren't expecting to have to do this, but we had to cut into the wall here for the plumbing for the sink. It wasn't in the plans, but come on, wait, what do you, oh, you want to get plates? Okay, go ahead. It wasn't in the original plans, but something about the way it comes up, I don't really know. I'm not a plumber, and I'm just letting them all figure that one out. All right, this is lunch today. We have some salami, guacamole, chips, apples. My kids love these little individually wrapped cheeses, so I sometimes let them get them. Mike already bit into one. And some leftover sourdough pancakes from this morning because our kitchen is now officially off limits.
We gotta finish it so that you can see it completely, okay? Whoa, that's crazy. Can I shave? Like, there's nothing here. Yes!
Nice.
I have the periscope piece that cuts along the bottom. Eli, would you like to slide the periscope together? Look, sure. Slide it together. Step 15. Look through one of the rectangular holes in your periscope. You can see out the other side. Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Awesome! I can see outside!
Eli.
You actually can see what's up there. What a cool spy thing. So what's it called? Periscope?
Yeah.
You know what, Eli? That would be so cool if you were down in your fort.
Let's go down to the fort. Yeah, let's go. It's not done yet, but we've got a bit done. That's the fort. It's not done yet, but we're digging into the side of the hill. It's gonna be really cool. We have a little wall here. It's actually pretty stable. Want to see the little thing we did? Oh, I saw the house. How's it going? Want to see something? We did good. It's actually clay, but you know. Oh, we found clay. Yeah, that's all clay.
Very hard.
Very hard clay.
Oh no, don't get too close, buddy.
I'm going inside now. Getting dead. You're getting dead. I'm going inside now. I'm really cold. I go.
Music lesson. Do you have the do you know what you're gonna do for Christmas?
No.
Christmas
Yeah.
concert?
Yeah. No.
You do. You have. What are you playing, Heen?
I'm playing Jingle Bells, Spanish Pizza, and
Well, today there were quite a few curveballs on our kitchen renovation project. We have to get a new faucet for the sink because this one goes out way too far. It basically comes out almost to the edge of the sink, so it would constantly splash out, which I would not have really probably even changed, even though it's definitely wrong, just to get this project done. But it turned out that one of the valves was broken, so our contractor said we'd have to get a new one of those anyway, and I was like, while we're doing that, we might as well get a different faucet that doesn't do this. So I ordered another one. The guy was supposed to have this all plumbed today. We could have a sink in our kitchen, and then he was gonna come back Friday to do the windowsill and add the rosettes and all of the trim work. But now that we can't finish this, he can't put in the windowsill because the sink's gonna go slightly under the windowsill. So there's that. There is just a myriad of other problems and issues. I'll probably explain it more in the kitchen update video, which I'm gonna be doing very soon. I was gonna do it at the end of this week, but I'm probably gonna do it next week because he's supposed to come in. So now by the end of next week, we should have the sink plumbed, the trim work up, possibly the stove working fully. The thermostat's still messed up, but we have a guy coming to fix that. So maybe I'll have a kitchen update for you next week, and then it's supposed to be all the way done, countertops and everything, by Christmas, but I'm of course skeptical because every part of this that we've done, we've ran into issues along the way, so we'll see. Again, thank you so much to KiwiCo for sponsoring this video and at least bringing some fun to this day and some enjoyment for the kids when we've been pretty distracted with this whole thing. Make sure, if you haven't ordered yet, to grab your free box with my link. You will have to pay shipping, but it's otherwise free. You can try it out in the description box below. All right, well, if you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living in a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.